Here's how to add a calendar in Asana in just a few simple steps. Stick around, and I'll show you how to do it in under 5 minutes. You'll also learn some useful tricks to get more out of Asana's calendar view, so don't miss it. Before we dive in, remember, you can use Asana completely free, and I've got an exclusive bonus waiting for you. Check the first link in the description below to get started. Now, let's get into adding a calendar in Asana. First thing you want to do is open your project. When you create a project in Asana, you have the option to use a calendar view right from the start. So, when you set up your project, just make sure to choose the calendar option as your layout. Next thing, if you already have a project and you're looking to switch to the calendar view, it's simple. Just go to the top of your project page and click on the Layout button. There, you'll see the option for Calendar View. Select it and boom, you're set. The third thing, once you're in Calendar View, you can start adding tasks directly onto the calendar. To do this, click on any day and a task box will appear. You can add the task name, set a due date, and even assign it to team members right from the calendar. Now, the fourth thing, managing your tasks. If you want to move a task to a different date, just drag it and drop it onto the new day. It's that easy. You'll also notice that tasks are color-coded based on the project or task type, so it's visually easy to stay on top of things. Next thing, let's talk about filtering your calendar. If you have multiple projects or tasks, you can filter what you see by clicking on the Filter button at the top. You can filter by assignee, task status, and more, making sure only the relevant tasks show up for you. The sixth thing, if you're working on larger projects, try the timeline view. The calendar view is great for daily tasks, but timeline gives you a bird's eye view of long-term projects and their deadlines. And finally, if you want to get more from your calendar, integrate it with Google Calendar. This makes it easy to sync all your Asana tasks with your Google Calendar, so you're never out of the loop. You can do this from your project settings under the Integration section. Asana's calendar is a powerful tool that can help keep you and your team organized. And remember, if you're looking to make the most of Asana, be sure to check out the exclusive, extended free trial in the description below. This is a great way to explore all of its features without any commitment. Thanks for watching!